So they're asking me what I want for Christmas. Let's see.
No love and joy and happiness crap.
None of that. Do you want to help me accomplish my last goal?
Which is?
Would you want me to help you accomplish my last goal for 2020?
Always.
Always?
Always.
We've accomplished a lot.
We've accomplished a lot.
Okay. Harlan, would you want to help me accomplish my last goal? 2020?
Yeah.
Even if it costs money?
Yes.
Even if it costs money?
Yeah. I thought you were asking Harlan.
We could go do it right now?
Yes.
Okay.
We could go do it right now.
Yes.
Babe?
Yeah?
Okay. You guys heard her. What's up, guys? Real Car Guy Reviews, back with another video, guys. Today might be a huge day. Like, huge day, guys. There's a vehicle I've been wanting for like the last 4 or 5 years. And I thought a long time ago, if I ever got that vehicle, then I would consider myself make it. Consider that I've, accomplished enough goals. And today might be the day. It might actually happen today. I've been getting a lot of feedback back and forth about me getting rid of the Gladiator. I'm sorry for all my Jeep people. I'm still a Jeep people. I didn't really want to get rid of it, but at the end of the day, I had to make kind of a business decision, family decision. I will eventually get back a Jeep. I promise you, I will get a Jeep. I'm probably going to get that V8 and have the truck on the side too, but I didn't need 2 trucks. I didn't need the Gladiator and the lifted diesel. Which, stay tuned. I got some videos coming for that, guys. I started tire shopping, started talking about some lifts. Tell me, guys, what you guys think should be the lift I should put on it. How high should I go? Some people are saying 4, some people are saying 8. Some people are just saying put a actual leveler kit on it. What type of rims? How deep are the rims should I go? These are things that I've never done before, so I do need your guys' help. You guys let me know. But at the end of the day, today's video, exciting. I'm telling you, well, it might be if it happens the right way. Stay tuned. I do need one thing, guys. I need a couple things. That's the one. A little surprise for that. And I definitely need to look real quick before I take off. I'm gonna be needing those, not those, and those for sure. Definitely gonna need that. Gotta bring that with me.
Yes, again.
You gonna see something cool?
Yeah.
You gonna see something real cool?
Yeah.
Here's something real cool, okay? Open this. Let him open it.
I know, but it's a little hard to open. I was starting it.
Open that.
Just open it so you can see what's inside of it.
Ooh. This is for you.
I know, it's mine, but what do you think it is?
It's money.
How much money is it?
Yes.
A lot.
A lot?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, that's what you call a Hellcat, son. See, look, this is how you can tell it's a Hellcat right there. You see that?
See that?
That's a Hellcat.
You have 4 cars?
No, that's just. We gotta ask Abigail if we can have it. What? Ask her? Should we ask her for Christmas? Babe,
What?
Harlan said I could to ask for this for my Christmas list.
You just got a brand new truck. Okay, hold on. For everyone listening, he just got the brand new truck not even a month ago? Not even? Literally in November, you got the brand new truck. You don't need another car this month.
What she
It's so cool.
see? And tell her, Harlem. Tell her it's so cool though.
And the Camaro's going away.
The what?
Camaro's going away.
Deal. Fine.
Private.
All right.
Private.
We're done.
Done.
Thanks, Wyatt.
Thank you. God bless. Send it.
Is the paperwork ready?
Yeah, that's right.
Let's go.
All right.
Alright, fine, whatever, let's do it.
She still thinks we're joking.
It's a demon.
Oh.
Hellcat.
Hold on. Actually, you know what? Color's pretty good. You want to get it?
Want to get it?
Might as well. Be another Christmas list for you.
Ooh.
Crossed off.
She said we can have it,
You
Harlem.
want it?
Yeah.
Might as well.
She said we can have it. Oh. Christmas came early. You like it?
Yeah.
Thank you, baby.
If you want
You're
to get it, I bet you already have paperwork ready. You're just trying to surprise me.
All right, bye-bye to the Camaro. I love you. Come here, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Woo! 60 frames per second.
Wait, you should get good pictures on it?
Oh yeah,
I need some more pictures on your phone because I don't have my phone on me.
So this car's faster than the black car?
this one's faster than Daddy's black car.
That's no.
It's way faster.
No, that one got to be faster.
No, this one's faster, son.
No,
So look, hey, you see this car right here?
Yeah.
This was Daddy's dream car for a long time. This is Daddy's dream car. This is one of Daddy's. This is one of Daddy's. What happened? What'd you tell her?
She was asking questions.
Oh gosh, this is one of Daddy's dream cars.
Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go. Throw shade, that's a no. Go high, go low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up.
Wyatt, what'd you say?
Nothing.
He said another success story. Okay, another black guy with a Charger. Listen, you two, don't listen. Listen, you two. Wyatt Chapman Chrysler Dodge literally just said that. We canceling Wyatt. No.
Never said that.
Oh,
Said that.
it's been forever. Forever. Let's go. Let's go.
Here, come here. This will be a snack, okay?
Let me hit the print screen.
Wyatt,
Yes.
how does that make you feel?
Which part? The
That
whole
one
thing?
that we're here again.
I'm excited.
Are you excited?
As always.
As always?
Excited as always. Nervous
Tell them
as
how I'm the
always.
easiest customer in the entire world. I'm definitely the easiest customer, fam.
Yeah.
Charge back love there.
Oh, I got a sign. Thanks, Wyatt. You tired, baby?
I'm gonna go home. It's like 10 o'clock.
Last one's in the whole showroom. No one. Hey, man. It's crazy. Christmas time. Look at that, guys. Wait till the... What was that? Yeah, we going to the Rubicon now. Harlem, you gonna try to go?
Check the trunk. I'm ready to go in your car.
You ready to go in the car? Let's go. Brand new. You like it, Harlem?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
I like it because I'm the one who wanted to get it.
You're the one who did want it, huh? We gotta name it something. Maybe like the Green Goblin.
Yeah.
The Green Goblin, or
Look at
the Green Machine, or the Money Machine. We gotta figure it out.
the money machine.
The Money Machine? All right, YouTube, I think you might have heard it. My son might have named it, called it the Money Machine. Either Green Machine, the Money Machine, but it is definitely mine. Wyatt, thank you, sir, once again.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you, baby. Look,
Christmas is over now.
Christmas is over?
But yours is.
Oh, my Christmas is over? Hey, green is for the holidays, baby. Green is for the holidays. Yeah. Let's go, YouTube. Real Car Guy Reviews, baby. Yes, let's go.